multiplying and dividing mixed numbers on MathVisions. For our example, 4 1/3 times 1/2, we must convert the mixed number 4 1/3 to an improper fraction. First, we write the fraction portion of our mixed number 1/3 by itself. Next, we extend our fraction line to the right, then write a plus sign after the 1. We then write an open parenthesis and write the whole number value from our mixed number, which is 4. Next, we write the multiplication symbol followed by the denominator value, which is 3. Finally, we write a closed parenthesis. This means we add our 1 with the result of the big number times the denominator, 4 times 3, in the parentheses and write this over our denominator, 3. So, we'll rewrite this as 1 plus 12, the result of 4 times 3, over 3, our original denominator. This simplifies to 13 over 3. If you notice, we've just cut up the same amount of shaded area into a different amount of pieces. Now we can multiply our converted mixed number by 1/2. We start by multiplying the numerators 13 and 1 by each other and get 13 as a numerator in our answer. Next, we multiply the denominators 3 and 2 by each other, which is 6. This is the denominator in our answer. Since our answer 13/6 is an improper fraction, we have to convert it to a mixed number. We do this by finding out how many times the denominator can go into the numerator without going over. Let's rewrite the improper fraction as long division with the remainder. Since 6, the denominator, times 2 gets us as close as possible to 13, the numerator, without going over, we write 2 as our quotient. Since 6 times 2 is 12, we write 12 under 13 and subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1, and we write this as our remainder. To create the mixed number version of 13/6, the quotient, 2, becomes the whole number portion of our mixed number. For the fraction portion, the denominator remains 6, as it is in the improper fraction. Finally, the remainder, 1, becomes the numerator. Again, based on the visualization, we see that converting between mixed number and fraction form does not change the value. So, 4 1/3 times 1/2 is 2 1/6. Based on the shaded area, 2 1/6 is indeed 1/2 of 4 1/3. What about 1/2 divided by 6 2/5? Well, we start by converting our mixed number to an improper fraction like before, by writing the fraction portion 2/5 by itself. Then we add the numerator to the product of the whole number portion and the denominator, 6 and 5. This gives us 32/5. But since we're dividing, we have to change the division symbol to multiplication and invert our improper fraction to read 5/32. Next, we multiply the numerators by each other and get 5 as the numerator in our answer. Finally, we multiply the denominators 2 and 32 by each other and get 64 as the denominator in our answer. Therefore, 1/2 divided by 6 2/5 is 5/64. Since this is a proper fraction, one in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we don't have to convert it to a mixed number. Moreover, since 5 and 64 don't have any common factors, our answer is already in simplest terms. a wrap for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my knowledge building exercises, link below in the description. I look forward to meeting with you right here next time on Math Visions.